Hello guys, today is my special day.
Oh.
Okay, so
Why is it special?
It's okay later.
today I got an award
For?
for being the student of the week.
Yeah.
So, what award did
So
you get?
this is my award. I
Wow.
got one toy too, which is a bracelet that sticks on your hand.
Wow, congratulations. Yeah.
Good job, Ate El.
So my parents got an award for me. So this is the Deluxe Stand Mixer Playset.
Wow.
Toy?
There's some fruits in it.
Show it. Show the box first. To Mom.
What's that?
This
Wow.
is a mixer. This is egg. There are fruits and egg.
Okay, show it. to
Boiled
Mom.
egg and a fried
Where
egg.
did we buy it?
In TK box.
Okay, what can you say, Eliza?
Unbox it now.
So let's try to unbox
So,
it
since
today.
El
Got a reward.
is student of the week, it was really unexpected.
Wow, you unbox it like this. Oh, there's a 9 pieces. No, it's like this.
Wow.
Wait, how many pieces are there? I thought there was 7. I counted and it was 7.
Can you count it?
Like,
Although the box says
It's a 9.
wow.
90. Alright, so what's
Maybe this is not included.
alright, so what's in it? Remove it from the
Ta-da.
okay.
7 because
Show the box.
9 pieces because of the mixer.
So
Wow.
you got the mixer.
Ta-da.
Wow.
Can you make a grape juice? Grape shake? How about the strawberry like that? Wow. Oh no, can you? Oh,
So
it's stuck.
it has a timer, right?
Okay.
Wow.
So how does that work, El?
Oh, so this is part of
Can you put it?
How does that work? Can you show them how that
Wow, it's like a real mixer.
Wow.
It's like mommy's
Alright.
mixer.
So if you're a fan of mixing, this is a very good toy.
Wow.
Look at that.
Wow.
Where is this?
Alright.
Okay.
Look at that. So
It's yeah, because you cannot put a lot. You only put one piece. Sample one piece.
oops, careful. your hands.
Okay, okay. Oh.
It's good because you can.
Oh,
Yeah, because it's a sample. Yeah.
hello.
Can you put the other one? Maybe it's for popcorn. Can you remove it, El? Can you try the popcorn, the lighter one? Yeah. Yeah, because it's a whole fruit. It should be yeah.
So careful.
It's
your
like
hands.
you put some flour like
It's-
that.
It's sharp.
Okay.
Oh, let's start.
Okay.
Wow, popcorn shake. Okay. Bye bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Thanks
Bye-bye,
for
Eli.
watching.
The popcorn.
We'll see
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye.